Hello, this is Gary with Pattern Maker Software. I am going to go over creating markers in Pattern Maker right now. Okay, I've got a drawing. I've attached some grading arrows. They're good enough for a demo. They're definitely not production quality, but I can grade them. Where do we start? The first thing I want to do is show you marker mode. Right here I have an area drop down that says draw. If I go to draw to marker, I'm in marker mode. All my pieces disappear. Go back to drawing mode, boom, they reappear. Why is this? Marker mode hides every object except a piece that is defined as a marker piece. The definition of a marker piece is the part of the object that you don't want to overlap. That'll be the cutting line. So here, I've got a marker piece. I need to convert these three objects to marker pieces. So I go to Marker, Define Piece. Select the object, left click, right click, left click, right click, left click, right click. Now I can go into marker mode. Notice how everything disappeared. All the text, this extra dart. I'll go back into draw mode just to emphasize this. All the text, the starts, the green line, all have reappeared. Go into marker mode, they're gone. Okay, the next step is I need to figure out what I want. I've drawn this. This is my size small. I'm doing a small, medium, and large. Where do I do this? I do this in the layer command. So I type layer, pops up the layer dialog box. Layer 0, which is in white, small, medium, large. Okay, how do I declare small, medium, and large? That's my cut ratio. Okay, I want 2 small pieces, 3 mediums, and 1 for each one large. Sorry, 3 mediums, not 2. I click OK. I've got it set up. I can do my grade. Grade. Which pieces do I want to grade? I want to grade everything. Size intervals. I've got my small. I need a medium and large, which means I need 2 more sizes. Click OK. Now I have 3 sizes. The small is in white, the medium is in green, the large is in blue. Okay. I have 1 of each piece. I do not have all the number that I had set. So I go to marker, cut ratio. It's asking me which pieces do I want to cut ratio in the cut ratio. I want everything here to be part of the cut ratio. So I select all. For some reason I'm in window, so I'll just select the window. Everything's selected. Do I want to pre-place these pieces? It's going to arrange them about my marker area so I can easily drag them in. I'm going to click yes. Okay, they're arranged. I can do a zoom all. I keep hitting window rather than all. So I want zoom all. Here they all are. Now, I really need to have my marker area on. So I'm going to go to view. I'm still in the zoom command, so view marker area. If I zoom out, I see that I've got this red area, which is my marker area. Now, it's way too small. So I go to marker, set marker area. I'm going to set it to, it's 14 inches. I'm going to send it to 72 inches standard bolt size. Click OK. Now, if I'd set my bolt size beforehand, it would have placed all these pieces above it. So I'm going to want to do that manually. I'm going to do that in draw mode so I can use the move command. Move all messed up. I unselected one of the pieces, so I'm going to try this again. Move all. Done selecting. Move them up here. Okay, now if I do a zoom all, it'll include the marker area. So this is what I want to arrange. I want to be back in marker mode. Now I can start placing my pieces in. I use the arrange command. So I select arrange, I select a piece. Done selecting the piece, I drag it over. Now there's a couple of things I can do. Okay, I'm going to want these all rotated 90 degrees. Over here, I have a command for rotating. Rotate right 45. So I click it, notice how my piece is spinning around. Rotate left 45. Now there are shortcuts for these two commands. It is X and C. It's a lot quicker to use them. Just going quickly through the rotate 1 degree and rotate right to 1 degree, the hotkeys for those are 1 and 2. Then here I have got flip horizontally and flip vertically. The plus and minuses work as the hotkeys, so minus, plus, minus, plus. So I can get it positioned the way I want. I'm just going to drop it out here. Okay, so it's placed there. Now what it's asking me for is how I want to pack it. So I'm going to want to pack it all the way to the left. So I went all the way out to the left. Now I'm up. And then it's just touching. Okay, when I'm done, I click the right mouse key. This green line shows how far in the marker area I'm using. So I'm done. I'm just checking where I am. I'm in the zoom command. I'm not sure why. I accidentally canceled out. Well, I can quickly do this again. Pack left, pack up, place it, done, on to my next piece. Notice how it packs just up as close can be. Now, some people ask, why do they have to place them manually? And the truth is, people do a much better job than this than computers. There's just too many options. This is something that people are a lot better at than computers, so people do it. I am not good at this. It's a skill. It's a skill that I've been trained in, so I can show you how to do it, but not how to do it well. I'm not going to lay out all the pieces, but I hope that you get a good feel for how to create a marker. Thank you very much, and this was Gary with Pattern Maker Software.